Dear student, how are you? Hope you are keeping well. I am missing you a lot. I am not with you in the classroom. As my update, I am trying to discuss according to your syllabus. Dear student, welcome you again to my online class. English second paper for class 9 and 10. I am Shiprani De, assistant teacher, Jafannagar, Aparnacharan High School. I am going to discuss transformation of sentence affirmative to negative. Dear student, see the rules. If you get only or alone with a person instead of only or alone in negative sentence, you have uses none but. None but use beginning at the beginning of the sentence. If you get only, that means this is not person. Any other things in negative sentence, you use nothing but instead of only. If you get only with number or age or quantity, replace you have to use not more than or not less than in negative sentence. Now to clear your idea, I am going to some example. Suppose example number 1. In affirmative sentence, only Rohim can do the work. In negative sentence, none but Rohim can do the work. Here only in place only we have used none but. Why? Because only takes Rohim. Rohim is a person. Only with person, and that's why we have used none but instead of only. Example number 2. In affirmative sentence, he has only a ball. In negative sentence, he has nothing but a ball. In place of only, we have used nothing but. But why? Because only takes a ball. Ball is a thing, so we have used nothing but instead of only. Okay, now taking example number 3. In affirmative sentence, he has only 10 taka. In negative sentence, he has not more than 10 taka. Here only takes 10 taka. 10 is a number. That's why we are going to use no more than in the place of only. Okay, now take another rule. In affirmative sentence, if you get must, you will replace by cannot but or cannot help. If you use cannot help, you must use verb plus ing. Now to clear your idea, I am going to example. In affirmative sentence, you must obey your parents. In negative sentence, you cannot but obey your parents, or you cannot help obeying your parents. Okay, now take another rule. In affirmative sentence, if you get both ... and, that means if you get the structure line is in negative sentence not only instead of both, and we have used but also instead of and. Take the example. In affirmative sentence, both Rumi and Shumi are excited. In negative sentence, not only Rumi but also Shumi are excited. So, instead of both, you have used not only, and you have used but also instead of and. Not more today. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you very much.